welcome to the Infinite Campus Parent Portal tutorial video. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the elementary grade book. To get started, we want to go over to the top left corner, click on the main menu button, and click on Grades. If you have more than one child in Unit 5, you'll want to make sure that you go up to the top right corner, select the student that is in elementary, and it will take you to this page. So at Unit 5, our elementary gradebook is standard-based grading, which means that each class that is being taught will have standards that are scored by the teacher. So, for example, if I were to go to PE and click on the plus, it's going to show me 3 standards that my child is assessed on throughout the year. They base it off the most recent grade. So if you look here on the standard, demonstrates competency in a variety of movement skills, there is a in-progress score of 3. If I were to click on this button here, it's going to take me to a breakdown of the standards. So it shows that there is evidence of this in-progress score. So if I click on the plus, you'll notice that I have 2 scores. Kicking soccer, which was on September 24th, 2021, it was a score of a 3, and foundational movement skills, which was the most recent, that was on October 4th, and that was a score of 3. If by chance this score would be a 2, the in-progress score would be listed as a 2. Also in this page, I can take a look at some of the other evidence that is connected to standards. So I could click here and notice that in this standard, there is only one assignment that is associated with it, which is a 3, and that is most recent. And that concludes our video on elementary standard-based grading gradebook.